Hey, what's up, everybody? King Mapina here. Welcome back to yet another video. So, today we're gonna be doing something different, an unboxing. So, as you can see right now, I'm recording during the day. That's because you can see me right now. It means that I've opened my folds for the window so that the lighting from the sunlight can get in. Because if I was recording late, you wouldn't be able to see me, or the footage would be grainy because I would have to take the ISO so high. But then right now I'm recording during the day, so I'm using the some of the light from the sun to enter through the window. So I bought a ring light to help me with that because as you can see, the light is not constant right now. Sometimes I'm getting orange because the sun changes every time. So sometimes it gets orange and reflect on the building next to my window, then I get orange. But then sometimes it's cool, so that will mess up with my white balance. So I got a ring light so that I can light myself anytime, every time, and I don't have to rely on the sunlight. So I was looking for lights which are affordable. There are lights from Godox which are affordable, but they start from just over 2,000, and I didn't have that money right now. So I just got to takealot.com and search for ring lights, and then I found a good one for 18 inches, and it was 650 rands. So I decided to get that so that it will help me with recording. So we're gonna do the unboxing right now, and I'm gonna do it top down style without my face basically. But yeah, let's get started. So guys, as you can see now, I've got my trusty unboxing knife. So I'm just gonna open up the box and see what's inside, what's in the ring light, and later show you how to assemble it. So the box just came like this, wrapped in this wrapping paper. The two boxes were wrapped in the paper. That is the ring, that being the ring light and the stand. So they just came wrapped like this. I guess now Take a Lot doesn't do those big boxes they used to. But then yeah, this is how I got it. So this is me opening it up, and then after opening it up, then we're gonna have to do the quick setup. So this is what's inside the box. As you can see, the ring light is out there, and then it comes with multiple things. So I'm gonna show you the things just momentarily. Let me just put the box on the side because as you can see, it's empty right now. And let's unbox the stand first before I show you what was inside the main box of the ring light. So this is those cheap light stands. As you can see them, I think they go for around 150 or something on Take a Lot alone. So this is the stand, as you can see, and this is how you open it up when you want to set it up. You just have to unscrew the top part, then close it down, and yeah, this is how we have it set up. And as you can see, it will be standing like this on the floor. So now let's get to the stuff inside the box of the ring light. As you can see, we have these cell phone mounting things. These are used to mount the cell phone on the ring light. There are 3 of them, so you can mount 3 cell phones at the same time, but I don't know why one would need to do that. Then we have the remote. As you can see, the remote here can be used to control the light, but be aware that it does not come with any batteries. So it's just a remote, and it uses two AAA batteries. So that's the remote. And then now we're gonna get to the mount. This is what you use to mount the ring light to the stand with, so it attaches to both things. So let's get to the ring light now. This is the ring light. Like I've told you before, it's 18 inches in size. So this is the ring light. We're gonna now have to plug it in and see how it works. As you can see on the front, there's 4 capacitive buttons. So we're gonna set it up and put it on. So as you can see right now, I've set up the stand to be straight on, like the light stand to be straight up. So I'm gonna set up the ring light right now, put it on, and see how it lights me up. So let's get to that. So this is the ring light. I'm gonna have to put it on top of this stand right now. So let me get the installation gear and let's put it on. So this is the mount which goes on here. So I'm gonna have to put this mount on the ring light so that they go together. I'm just gonna have to open this up and then install it to the mount. So now that the mount is installed, let me put it on top of there. Let me put it on top of the stand. Okay, there we go. We have the ring light installed right now. So what we have to do is plug it in and turn it on. Since I'm not gonna be mainly using it with my cell phone, I've decided not to install the cell phone mounts which go up here, because I'm not gonna be using this with my cell phone. I'm gonna be using this with my camera, the one I used to record. So let me plug it in and we see how it lights me up. And I'm gonna close down the folds to see exactly how the ring light does. So guys, this is me recording with the ring light right now. Tell me what you think, how it looks. So I've took down my ISO down so that the ring light can put good light on me. Yeah, I think this is better because it's not too much light and I'm not overexposed. I can't see it well because the screen is far, but I can see that I'm well lit and I'm not overexposed. But then I'm gonna put it in the editor and see how it looks. So yeah, this is it for the unboxing video. This is how it looks. So let me just turn off the ring light quickly so that you can see how the room is looking inside without the ring light, and the way it is. The camera settings I'm not gonna change. I'm just gonna switch off the ring light and see how everything looks. Yeah, as you can see guys, I'm not even visible right now. I'm dark, I'm not visible. You can see my mouth moving but barely. This is what the ring light does to me. Yeah, as you can see now, the light is a bit orange. So this is the lower Kelvin temperature. I think it's 3200 Kelvin. So normally I'm gonna be recording with this light, which is daylight 5600 Kelvin. I'm not gonna be recording with the lower Kelvins, which are yellow. So yeah, this is gonna be the setup from now. Peace.